All right, 4-egg chili omelet. This is yesterday's leftover chili. Doesn't that look good? What is it? Deer Creek, Bear Creek, Wolf Creek? I forget the name of the chili. It's really good stuff. Bear Creek, darn good chili. I use this, a can of tomato paste, and 2 cans of beans, and 2 pounds of hamburger meat, and you'd never know it wasn't homemade. It's that good. I love it. All right, we'll be back. Alrighty. I think we're going to throw a little bit of cheese on that too, just to hold the chili together. Maybe, we'll see. Alright, we'll let that egg cook a little bit more, then we'll flip it. Alright, I haven't had good luck with flipping these lately. Let's just see. Oh yeah, that'll work. Alright, we'll let that warm up a little bit. Here's an interesting little tidbit. This is the spatula I've used during my omelet failures, the ones that didn't flip right. And I got to looking real close. There's this sharp edge, and what it does is grab the edge of the omelet, and it cuts it. So I'm going to take some sandpaper and I'm going to rub off these sharp edges. I tried cleaning it up with a knife, but it needs a little more than a knife. So I think that's the reason why the omelets that I flipped with this didn't flip. It hung up on the egg and tore it. And we're striving for omelet perfection. Okay, this is done. Clean that up in a minute. Now, let me get a fork. I just put my fork in the sink. I'm YouTubing, hun. No F-bombs. You want me to do what? Okay. Is she out? Okay. All right. All right. Sorry about that. Yeah, Lucy's out, and it's cold, and she wants in. Now, I've never had this before, but I love eggs, and I love chili. So, let me get that cheese string off there. Go on. There we go. All right. Oh, yeah, man. I would do this again. That's good. That is a good combination there. You know what? I should put some hot sauce on this. Oh. That is definitely 2 flavors that are meant to go together. That's really good. I'd do that again. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay warm. just one more time. This was, up until this, the mushroom and onion omelet was my favorite. But this is, I don't know, it's almost got the mushroom onion omelet beat. Really, really good. Really good. You gotta try this one. Chili and 4-egg omelet. Oh yeah, I wanted to give you a quick tip on cold weather survival. Make sure you got a jacket and a hat to keep your head warm. And you leave them right there. You come over here, get a couple of these. Come on, get up here. Lucy Bell, come on. Lucy, get up here. Okay. Okay. This is how we stay warm. Alrighty. Let's go. Okay, everybody lay down. Cuddle up. Our warm weather gear.